it is slick. So it's time to get back to the sand spreader that I used on the Valmet tractor. So we need to do some modification on it, and yeah, of course we are doing the modifications when they are needed, not before. So then it would be just sliding it on and go spread some sand. So first we need to do some welding now. Here we have the sand spreader, and as we could see last time, it was throwing the sand way too much out to the sides. So we need to narrow it in, and I actually gotta say I am amazed how many great comments and suggestions I got from the comments on the YouTube video. I wasn't even thinking about stuff like that when I posted the video, that maybe I could get a lot of good ideas from my viewers, and that was really amazing. I even got a messenger with a drawing on how I should do it and everything, so it's just really amazing. But I have found out what I will do, and that's actually my first idea that I had in the video also. I think I will just extend these a little bit more out here, maybe all the way here, and then I will also bend these so it will point a little bit more downwards like this. I think that will be a good idea, I think. One of the ideas I got on Messenger actually with a drawing was just to make some pipes go like this and up, and then in the holder again on the tractor, and that will lower the whole thing. I was actually planning to do that, but I was thinking that it's always not a good thing to have this one hanging as the lowest point on the tractor if I drive over something, and yeah, it's just one more thing to look after when I'm using it. Like it's now, I have to have the loader up that we saw in the first video, and I have to be careful so I don't drive into something like I did when I had it on the Massey Ferguson. So that's the plan actually. So it should be quick and easy, and that's perfect because it is just ice and water outside right now, so I need it before we get some accidents or something, someone's falling and breaking a hip and you can't get the ambulance here because it's so slippery in the hills. So let's just get cracking at it and make this one, extend it here, something like that, and the same on the other side, bend it a little bit down, and then we go out and test it. Then I have the pieces made ready, and luckily I had taken care of the pipe, and I dropped my whole bin out with scrap metal. So now I got to sort through it, but this is what I can throw away. And this one was outside, it's stainless, so. But anyways, here it is, like this. And I will put it to here. And you can see we are extending it with around 10 centimeters. So I think that will be pretty nice. So let's just fire up the welder and weld this together, and then we'll take the other side. I have that one also ready here. Alright, there is the result. I didn't care for painting anything yet, but could probably bend it a little bit more down, but we test this first and see how it works. So let's just fire up the tractor and let it warm up a little bit. plenty of lights. So let's see. I'm standing still with the tractor. I think I have pretty good with gravel, yes. So you can see this is the type I'm using. So okay. It's raining now, so you can see it's a lot of water. But I'm standing still here with the tractor and the sand spreader with the new modifications. Let's go in and switch it on for just a little bit and then see what kind of coverage we get from this sand spreader right now. This is the furthest the sand was thrown, but we can see we have a pretty wide area right here. So it's from here all the way over to the door over there. So I'm guessing that is 3 meters. Okay, so we are 3 meters wide right here. That is just perfect. The road is normally not that wide, but like down here, my road, it's not wider than that. And now I had it on for, I was counting to 3. So we can see we got plenty of sand on maybe something like 3 seconds with it on, and it's showing this is where it starts. So it's got a lot of sand when it starts, because you can see it's preloaded in there. Since I'm not using this handle, I'm just having it on full open. But this is really great. You see here, I just turned my nose on the tractor in against the garage port, and we got everything covered. And the same, we have plenty of sand everywhere. So this is the 3rd time I filled it, so it's about 60 liters. I'm guessing it using around 40 liters, something like that. But oh, it's plenty with sand everywhere. So approximately 100 liters of sand or gravel, and we have full coverage the whole way down. That is a little bit over 60 meters. I'm really happy with this. I think our modification is working really well. But okay, let's pack everything down and get it. It's wet outside.